This video is to show how users can assemble our coffee capsule racks into turntable type. This guidance applies to both Dolce Gusto and the Nespresso racks. Here, we choose espresso racks to do the demonstration. Following this picture, to pull the four corresponding ears close together, stack them up according to the order of the picture and align the holes. Take the recommended rivet and press it through the holes all the way down. Now users have completed the first step. Second step. The second step is to assemble the top of the upper shelves side by side, same like the first step, except that there are only two ears on top side. So users can just align the two holes of the corresponding ears and pin them together with recommended rivet. Leave the excess of rivet as it is. We do not suggest to cut it off. Third step. For the bottom side of base shelf assembly, users shall see that the assembly is quite similar to the upper shelf. Yes, that's right. Just follow the same procedure and finish the assembly. Once users complete their base shelf assembly, the only thing next to finish is to pin these rivets through the corresponding holes on the turntable. Assembly of turning wheel. There are two parts of turning wheel. One is the turntable that holds the capsule rack. The other part is the ground wheel with bearing inside that holds the turntable and provides the spinning function. To install the recommended bearing, users are suggested to use rubber hammer and knock it in with even and mild force. And then next, knock the turntable into the bearing. Users may consider to complete this turning wheel assembly before assemble the capsule rack. Here are the pictures of completion of basic Dolce Gusto rack and the espresso rack. Also, users can install racks on the wall, like these pictures, showing wall mount Dolce Gusto rack and the espresso rack.